Welcome back to CarAug 765, the home of classic rides, legendary engines, and pure automotive passion. If you love the sound of old-school version 8s, vintage curves, and stories that shaped American car history, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more incredible classics from the golden age of motoring. Today, we're taking you back to the early 50s, the year 1952, to explore a car that defined simplicity, durability, and American craftsmanship. Yes, we're talking about the 1952 Ford Mainline. A car built not for luxury or speed, but for honest performance, reliability, and everyday driving that made Ford a household name in post-war America. The Ford Mainline made its debut as Ford's base trim level, sitting below the Custom Line and Crestline models. It was designed for families and working-class Americans who wanted a dependable car without the extra cost of fancy chrome and luxury features. And yet, even though it was the most affordable Ford in 1952, it carried the same bold spirit that made the brand famous. At first glance, the 1952 Ford Mainline stands out with its clean, no-nonsense design. The wide front grille, rounded fenders, and classic Ford emblem all give it that unmistakable 1950s charm. The car's body style options included a two-door sedan, a four-door sedan, a business coupe, and even a station wagon version known as the Ranch Wagon. Each one was designed with purpose, simplicity, and a touch of elegance that still looks timeless today. Under the hood, the 1952 Mainline offered two engine choices, the tried-and-true 215 cubic inch six-cylinder producing around 101 horsepower, and the more powerful 239 cubic inch Flathead V8 pushing out 110 horsepower. Now, that may not sound like much today, but back in the 50s, that was solid power, especially for a car built for everyday American roads. The V8 gave it smooth acceleration and a confident driving feel that drivers loved, while the six-cylinder offered dependable fuel efficiency and low-cost maintenance. Inside, the Mainline was simple but smart. The dashboard was clean, featuring a speedometer, fuel gauge, and temperature indicators without unnecessary distractions. The bench seats were comfortable and spacious, wrapped in durable materials meant to last through years of use. Ford's attention to detail made even the base model feel special. One of the things that made the 1952 Ford Mainline so appreciated was its rugged dependability. It wasn't just a car, it was a workhorse that could take on long trips, city driving, or even rural backroads without breaking a sweat. Mechanics of the time praised its easy-to-maintain engine and simple design. Even decades later, car collectors love how easy it is to restore and keep running. And let's not forget the cultural importance of this car. The 1952 Ford Mainline rolled into showrooms during a time of optimism in America, the post-war boom. People were starting new lives, building homes, and hitting the open road. Ford's Mainline was there for them, offering affordable independence and a taste of freedom. It became a symbol of reliability and trust, values that still define the Ford brand today. Driving a restored 1952 Mainline today feels like stepping back in time. The smooth ride, the old-fashioned steering feel, and the soft hum of that Flathead V8 create an experience that modern cars just can't match. It's not about speed, it's about connection. A connection to an era when cars had personality, when steel met craftsmanship, and when driving meant freedom. So if you ever see a 1952 Ford Mainline cruising down the street or parked at a classic car show, take a moment to appreciate what it stands for: simplicity, strength, and the spirit of classic America. Thank you for watching this episode on CarAug 765. If you enjoyed this deep dive into automotive history, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. More timeless classics, vintage stories, and automotive legends are on the way. Stay tuned, stay passionate, and keep the fire of classic cars alive with CarAug 765.